In this section, we're going to have a look at how we manage digital assets in the PIM. So how do you allocate it to a product? What types of digital assets can you have? How do you actually get those in? How do you bulk upload? How do you also export these or allocate these or associate these with products and variants? So, we're going to cover this in these sections now. So the first thing I'm going to do is go back to my training devices that I brought over from another system. This one, you can see, in my other demo system, I've got this product. I've also got a bunch of digital assets, some images here, which I've uploaded. Got a video, which I can play. I've got, text spec, or some text specs in a PDF format. Could be a drawing or anything else. But effectively, now I want to associate these with a product. Equally, now I want to associate something as a primary product. I'm not going to talk about variants here in digital assets, but you can equally associate, your images or your PDFs, your videos, your images, your digital assets, to variants. So we'll look at that in one of the other videos going forward. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got a bunch of items here in a folder on my screen. We equally could be just from a list of URLs on a website somewhere. We have import routines that allow us to sort of mass upload those devices into the PIM. I've managed to sort of name these so that we can actually see what we've got here. So I'm going to sort of bring these through into the PIM so you can see how we do it. So I'm going to move over to my demo area. I've got a bunch of products here that haven't got any images within. So if I go to the digital asset tag, you can actually see I've got nothing. I could just add one by uploading a file or a URL. But in this instance, I'm going to start in, because I've got quite a number to upload, these, for example, I want to upload them as a bulk upload. So I'm going to use the bulk upload routine within the PIM that allows you to do this type of thing. So the first thing is I'm going to the digital asset tab. As you can see, I've got lots of assets in my demo environment, PDFs, images, videos, technical specs. They could be anything effectively. I've equally got some search criteria going up here if I want to find some. So, I want to find technical specs, which whatever. So I've got some form of search criteria within the system, and I can open these elements here. So if we just clear the search and go back. So first thing I want to do is use this bulk upload scenario. So you can see it's a drag and drop scenario. I mean, the whole point is to upload images or just assets, PDFs, files that you want to associate, and you want to associate them with, some, whether it be products or suppliers or different things. Again, going back to our design this page, you could add relational elements where you want to associate, products too, but you can pre-support this. So in this instance, I want to upload some images, I can categorize them. In this instance, I'm just doing this, but actually I want these images to be associated with, my first product. So this one here, I don't have any variants. I've not associated these with any suppliers at this moment in time. And I want these to be active. You could have these as sort of going through some form of approval process using our approval by your marketing team or whatever. It could be a supplier coming through a portal, uploading images and whatever. You could associate them with who's got them. But effectively, what I'm doing is I'm going to select my elements. So I want that one, and that one, PH002. We've got a PDF there as well, doesn't really matter. So what we'll do is just drag those into the box. And what we've got, can I drag them? I didn't drag them. So we're going to drag these onto the canvas. They're now uploading these images. And what we can now start to do, so if I go back to my product category, just go back to my product PH001, I can see that under this product, I've got a whole bunch of digital assets associated with this. So, just by doing a bulk upload, I can, associate a bunch of products at the same time, categorize them, and bring them into the system as associated with this product. What you also notice is I've not actually associated any of the products as a primary product, and that's what I'm going to do in the next video.